Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, CANON Pixma MegaTank G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable transport mode on this device. If you wanna move your printer from one place to the other place, but not from one place in the office to the other one, but if you wanna move it to the different location, for example, a different city, and you will drive in the car or on train, or I don't know, or okay, so when a printer will move intensely on different roads, so you should enable the transport mode. So open maintenance, scroll down, and here find transport mode. Click OK. Can't print until you exit the transport mode. Click yes. Switch into the transport mode. Please wait. So it will take about 1 minute. Cool, that's it. Our printer now is in transport mode. But of course, you should use the stickers like this, for example, to make it safer. So make safer with the scanner glass and with this cover. Okay, so use the glue, or use something, use the tape to fix it. Okay, and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.